Good morning. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we had discussed some other projects of Rajasthan. 7 projects we had discussed, and now, beside these, we had discussed about water conservation and why there is the need for water conservation. Now we are going to discuss traditional methods which are used in Rajasthan to conserve the water. In that, we will discuss first of all about Bawdi. There is Bawdi, ponds, lakes, Nadi, then Johad, then Khadil, Beri. These are different traditional methods which are used in Rajasthan. Now we are going to discuss first, that is Bawdi. What is Bawdi? These are the sources to collect the water. Now they are in different shape. Okay, they can be quadrilateral, they can be rectangular, they can be circular, okay, they can be rounded shape. Okay, there is the path, okay, and which has been started, beautiful path which has been constructed with bricks and stone, okay, from entering point to mid point. Okay, there is a path, okay, to move into the Bawdi, okay, and this midpoint is just like a courtyard, okay, to collect the water. Okay, now there are steps how to reach there. There are steps to reach there, built to reach there. Some pillars and windows are also constructed, and they are decorated, they are illustrated with different idols of gods and goddesses. We can say that these are of water gods. Okay, now there are so many Bawdis built in Rajasthan. So we can say that there is the city. Bundi is known as the city of stepwells. Why they are called stepwells? They are called stepwells because there are the steps, okay, in the Bawdi. Now we will see some examples of famous Bawdis. Okay, there are the examples: Chand Bawdi of Abhaneri, Tapi Bawdi of Jodhpur, okay, Bhandrarej Bawdi of Dosa. There are more many, okay. Now we are going to move to the second, that is ponds. These are also useful water resources which are used by human beings as well as animals, birds, livestock. Okay, now they are constructed in the inclined area. We can say that near the inclined area, near the slope area, they are constructed. They are constructed with the religious feelings and social feelings. You know that with the ponds are used by the whole entire society. Okay, that's why they are conserved, they are preserved, they are protected. Now there are some different examples which are very famous ponds. Hemavas pond in Pali district, Senapani pond in Chittorgarh, and there are Gadisar and Gajroop Sagar. Okay, you have to remind this, Gadisar and Gajroop Sagar in Jaisalmer. These are famous ponds, okay, and you know that ponds is also water resources. Okay, this is also a method. Now come on the third, that is lakes. What about the lakes? These are also popular sources to collect rainwater, okay, and they are constructed by kings, traders, natives, and different banjaras. Okay, now the water of lakes is used for drinking and irrigation. Okay, most popular lakes, let's see what is the name of most popular lakes. You have to remind some names. Okay, Ana Sagar Lake, that is of Ajmer, Pichola Lake and Fateh Sagar Lake of Udaipur. You know there are different lakes constructed in Rajasthan. As you know that there is the scarcity of rainfall in Rajasthan. So our kings, our traders, they were always aware to conserve the water. So they constructed different Bawdi, ponds and lakes. Okay, now Pichola and Fateh Sagar Lake of Udaipur, Navlakha Lake of Bundi, or Navchauki Lake, that is situated in Rajsamand. Okay, now in Rajasthan one of the great district, that is Udaipur. There are many lakes in Udaipur. That's why it is also famous as city of lakes. So you have to remind this lakes. Now we are going to move on the next, that is Nadi. What is Nadi? Nadi is just a small form of pond. It is just like pond, but it is of small form. It is the depth of the Nadi is 4 to 5 meter only. It is not so depth, okay. Now rainwater is collected when they are small in size. When they are small in size, okay. When they are small in size, that's why rainwater is collected in the Nadi for the short period, okay. And they are very useful for both humans and livestock, and mostly Nadis are found in western Rajasthan. You know that there is the desert area in Rajasthan, and there is the silt mud, okay. That's why through this the Nadis are constructed, okay. Now we are going to see the next, that is Johad. Now we are going to discuss about the next traditional water conservation method of Rajasthan. That is, in the previous we had discussed 4 methods, okay. Bawdi, lakes, ponds, and Bawdis, lakes, ponds, and Nadi. Now we are going to discuss Johad, Tanka, Khadin, and Beri. These are also traditional methods which are used in Rajasthan. First of all, what is Johad? It is also the main source to collect the rainwater, and these are specially built in Shekhawati areas and Haryana. Why? Because you know that there is always condition, or these are the prone areas of famine and drought. Now Johads are built by natives, Bhamasha, and we can call them administrator, okay. They have been used by both livestock and humans. Now come on the next, that is Tanka. In western Rajasthan, tankas are built to collect rainwater, okay. These are 4 to 5 meter deep holes. They are covered by stone or slabs. Actually, each house of western Rajasthan has tankas, because in the western Rajasthan there is the scarcity or shortage of rainfall, okay. These are the deep holes, okay, which are used to collect the rainwater, okay. Many you know that on the roof there is the rainwater, and with a pipe, okay, these are collected in the tanka. Now they are covered with stone or slab, okay. After that, you know that interior part of tanka is painted by ash, or we can say that mud, okay. Why? Because there may be condition of water leakage or erosion, to preserve, okay, by this condition. Next, the water of tanka is used by people after the period of monsoon. During the monsoon there is somehow rainfall, but after monsoon there is the condition of drought, and during that time the water of tanka has been used. Many tankas in Rajasthan have been constructed during a scheme, and that scheme was called Jal Swavalamban scheme. Okay, about this scheme we will study in the next class. Okay, these are the tankas. Next is Khadin. This is also important. This water conservation method was adopted by Paliwal Brahmins of Jaisalmer. It is very important method. Okay, it is used for both drinking water and irrigation. Okay, and the water of Khadin is used for both the crops, that is Rabi and Kharif crops. Now how it is built, how it is constructed. So let's see. In this method, water run from slope of hills stop by making boundaries of mud or concrete. Now see, when there is the rainwater, come, ठीक है, by the slope of the hills, okay, there may be a boundary can be constructed, and through this the water can be stopped there, okay, and these are called khadis, okay. Now when the one khadin is filled, what happened of the next of the extra water, then the extra water is exited, okay, from a part of this wall. There is the boundary wall, okay, there may be a part of wall may be removed, and the extra water can converted or transfer to the next khadi, okay. These are useful for both rabi and kharif crops, and these khadin maintains, okay, the moisture of land. That's why they are useful both for both rabi and kharif crops. Very important, you have to memorize this. Then berry, you have to learn them properly. Berry, these are 5 meter deep hole and 2-3 feet diameter, we can say that circumferences, okay, and they are constructed near khadi. When there is a khadi, okay, a berry can be constructed just near them, okay. Its well are trapped with a stone which causes water to come from trickling, okay. जो वेल है, ओके, उसका जो वाटर मतलब उसका जो वेल है उसको स्टोन से ट्रैप कर दिया जाता है, जिससे पानी ऊपर की मतलब बूंद बूंद पानी जो है वो आ जाता है, ठीक है. दे आर यूज्ड इन समर पीरियड. In which period? They are used in summer period, and these are mostly found in Badmer and Jaisalmer. You know that these are the desert area, and there is always, these are the prone areas always of drought and famine. So these are the traditional method which are used in Rajasthan, okay. First what? First we had discussed Baudi, then second ponds, then lakes, then Nadi, then Johar, then Tanka, then Khadin and Beri. You have to learn them properly, okay, and note down them, and you have to learn them properly because there is a compulsory question asked in the exam about one of or two of them, at least two of them, okay. Two of them I tell you that it may be any one, any two or any four, okay. So you must learn them properly. I hope you understand, okay. Thank you.